Hey, good afternoon, traders. Today we are going to look at LMND. This is going to actually be an updated technical analysis video on the ticker symbol LMND. So if you remember in our previous video, we identified that we essentially had broken out of this cup and handle pattern dating all the way back into 2022, where we have this massive cup and then this handle. And then let's kind of zoom in on the latest price action, because here's where the update really kind of comes into play. So if you'll recall, we had a breakout, obviously, of that cup and handle pattern confirmed by this candle right here. Then we had some consolidation. We had a move back down through into this demand zone and order block sitting right here, where you could see we kind of went back, we went into this, and then we formed kind of this bearish consolidation. But then what we had is we had a gap up here, which took us right back into that 60, kind of 62 level high. And then from there, it rejected. So we had a candle close above it, but then we had a candle close below it, and then it rejected down, and it wants to retest, or it wanted to retest this demand zone right here. And you can see we came and we actually closed. So let's kind of walk through this price movement. So we came in, and then we opened here, gapped down, and then closed right on it. And then on Friday we closed below it. However, we did not confirm. We would have needed a move below this, or close below this low here from Friday's candle, or actually Thursday's candle, to confirm a move. So instead, on Friday, it had this, it put in these two wicks, one on Thursday, one on Friday, where we had these kind of hammer candles. And then today we had a open pretty much right above Friday's close, and then we had a nice move back to about $54.37, and it closed pretty close to its highs. So how do I see this? How am I reading it, and where do I think it's going from here? So I think this is nothing more than just a secondary retest of this demand zone. And the reason I think that is these two candles and then today's price action. Plus, you can see massive accumulation candle here, accumulation here, and not a whole lot of sell candle volume, just buy volume candles, or buy candle volume. So again, suffice to say, I think this is just a secondary test of this demand zone, and I think we will be quickly reassuming our move towards these $60 highs. So let me draw that on. I kind of see price movement doing something like this, where it would be healthy if we got this maybe a little bullish consolidation like this, right under it, or maybe even right above it. And then I think we make our breakout. So again, it could kind of go like this. We could even get a retest back down like this. But based on this secondary retest, I'd favor something more like this, or even a breakout of it, and then maybe something like this, to where we maybe do something like that. And that would be amazing if we saw something like this, to where we closed above these highs, confirmed, back tested this 60-50 level, and then I think we're off to the races. But nonetheless, this is how I'm seeing price action. Let's look at RSI real quick. Yeah, look at this. It's beautiful. Just reset, and now we have plenty of room to run to the upside. So again, I would expect this to resolve to the upside over the next few days. Probably do something like this, and then I think we're going a lot higher. So let's just do a quick analysis on the breakout of this neckline, or of this cup and handle pattern. So let's draw that to the breakout zone. Take that right there, and we have a price target on this puppy of $95. So obviously there's going to be stopping points along the way. We're going to have this test here, and then you're going to have some resistance right about here, and then again here. But again, ultimately my price target based on this cup and handle is going to be $95, and I do think it's going to get there. So it's just a matter of what path it takes, but I think you can safely and confidently bet on this going to the upside. But again, I'll remind everyone, I'm not a financial advisor. This is only for educational purposes and to share with you what I'm doing with my own personal trading portfolio. I am long this name and love it. So if you like the technical analysis today, do me a favor, smash that like button, show me some love, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and I will check you guys on the next one. Take care.